The strongest indicator you can ever see, literally, is this indicator that you will learn how to use correctly if you stay until the end of this video. Let's get started. First, the indicator is called Volume Delta Candles. It was developed by LuxAlgo. Anyone familiar with the order flow strategy knows a lot. What is volume delta? That's all we need to know. What matters is understanding this indicator, how it works, and how to exploit it. First, we see that the indicator shows me the reality of the market. We see that without the indicator, we see ordinary Japanese candlesticks on the chart. So if you look here, you see that there are candles that are half full, or completely full. This is a direct conflict between sellers and buyers. You can see this conflict directly in each candle. This means you can see who is controlling this market situation, and in each candle, whether it's the sellers or the buyers. So each candle is formed from volume, and this volume is what shows you here by the percentage of the candles fill. It means the strength of the buyers and the strength of the sellers in each candle. Let's delve a little deeper in this indicator, and if you stay with me until the end of the video, you'll gain great benefits from this indicator. First, let's go over the settings area. We click on it. First, for the data form, it has two options, low time frame and ticks, but we're leaving it in this option, the low time frame option. Why? Because with the ticks option, if you select the chart, all the data from the chart is lost. Second, let's get to this option, the one with intrabar delta. It's better if you change the color here in the up, change it to this color, a color that is light red. And you know why. Come here and change this color that is green, change it to light green. Okay, let's leave the settings as they are and click OK. Okay, let's see the colors we changed just now, a little while ago. Let's see why we did that. Look with me in this case, for example, in this candle I'm pointing to with the arrow, this candle is a rising candle, right? If you disable the indicator, you'll see that a rising candle doesn't show anything on it. But if I activate the indicator, I see a faint red color on my back. What does this mean? It means that there is bearish dominance over this bullish candle, and the evidence that confirms there will be a near reversal is, look at the liquidity pool that happened from above the top of this candle. There's something we clarified. What does this white line that appears in the middle of the candles mean? This line is called the maximum price range. What does it mean? Of course, we know this indicator, the volume profile indicator, and we know that the line that appears in the volume profile forms the point of control for me. This means it's the area where I have the maximum accumulated volume, whether it's selling or buying volume. It's the same principle in this indicator. So in this case, the white line you see in each candle is the POC, or point of control we saw earlier in the volume profile, but for each candle. And this point is important. Where will it benefit us? Let's see where it will benefit us. Okay, in this case, I have the white line, or what forms the maximum price range. All right. And we see that in this case, I have a support area. We see how the market rebounds from it. But what I want to focus on is the wicks. We see the wicks together. Who is pulling liquidity from whom? In this case, we see that in this candle, the liquidity below it was pulled and the upper price limit was closed at this white line. Follow this candle. Okay, we're focused on this candle. So in this case, what do we expect? We expect an uptrend. All right, but what happened? Follow along with me and see what happened. We see that in this case, the market broke this area. Why? Because look with me, this is the line, for example, of the support. But look with me, this white line is the maximum price range of this candle. Close where? It closed above the support area I had there. So traders call this a breakout. It's not a breakout, it's a false breakout. This means that no reversal occurred. This means that this indicator can help you filter out false reversals. In this case, wait for the candle that follows this red candle. And I see if this candle breaks the high or low of this candle. And this was a false reversal. And here is the entry point. We see that the price continues to rise. The same situation applies to the bearish market. We see that in this candle, it's a green candle, and it appeared with me, showing the seller's control over this candle. Here, I expect there will be a reversal. That's all for this segment. I hope you benefited from this indicator, and I hope you add this indicator to any of your trading strategies to filter out false positives, which are common on the chart, and to secure high quality trades. Since you've benefited, don't forget to leave your lovely comment below.